Good morning to all. In a previous class, we have learned about 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional shapes. That's it. I hope you all understood the previous concept. Everyone complete the activity also. Today we are going to do the exercise problems. Exercise 13.2. Okay. The first one, name the solid shapes represented by the following. So matchbox. Matchbox is one of the cuboid. That is a 3D shape. Okay. The first one, a cuboid. Matchbox is a cuboid. And B, birthday cap. It look like a cone. Okay. And C, ball. Ball is a spear. And D, ice cream cone. So that's also the 3D shape cone. And E, ice cube. Cubes. Okay, right. And second one, name the edges, faces, top and bottom of the following shapes. That is a homework. Okay. And B1, using the graph paper, draw the net for a cuboid with the edge 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Okay. So using the graph paper, you will draw this measurement and send it to the group. Okay. Now see the third problem. Third also already we have seen in the last video. As it previous video we have learned the number of faces, number of edges and number of vertices having the each type of 3D shapes. Is it? So you have to complete this also homework. And fourth one, draw the tetrahedron and label it. Write the number of faces and vertices. So tetrahedron and label it the vertices. So tetrahedron means the fourth one. This is a tetrahedron. Okay, it has faces, 4 face. Okay, edges 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. Edges 6. Vertex, vertices 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and join, we get that center point. That is 4 vertices. Fifth one, the base of the pyramid is hexagon and all its other faces are triangle. Name the pyramid. So base is hexagonal. So name the pyramid, clearly given. Okay, so hexagonal pyramid. Okay, hexagonal pyramid. Hexagonal pyramid. And sixth one, in the given figure, how many cubes are there? Everyone see your book here. One of the cube is given, is it? See. So how many cubes are there? So I have drawn the 2D shape. Okay. So how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sixth one answer is 6 cubes. 6 cubes. Okay. And next one. How many more small cubes are needed to complete the bigger cube? So how many spaces are there? In the top side 4 spaces, and down floor of the cube having the 1 space. Totally we have need to complete the bigger cube is 5 cubes. Okay. So 7th one is 5 cubes. Okay. And the 8th one, draw the net of the cuboid homework. Okay. So which are the problems? Homework 2, 3 and 8 are homework. Okay. Now move to the worksheet 1 problems. Worksheet 1, 2, 3 homework. Okay. 4th one, classify the following polygons as regular or irregular. Okay, worksheet 1. The 4th one, worksheet 1, 4th. The first one is irregular because different sides, is it? So first one of the shape is irregular. Irregular polygon. And B, regular polygon is a pentagon is given, is it? So regular polygon. C is irregular polygon, and D is also irregular polygon. And 5th one, classify the following triangles on the base of the angles. Okay, now see the first one, all the angles in acute angle. Okay, all the angles in acute angle. So acute angle triangle. Okay, and B1. One of the angle is obtuse, 124. So it's called the obtuse angle triangle. And see, one of the angle is 90 degree. So right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. 6th one. One angle of the rhombus is 70 degree. Find the remaining angle. One angle of the rhombus is 70 degree. One angle. So one of the angle of the rhombus is 70 degree. Find the remaining angles. Okay, find the remaining angles. See, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, opposite angles are equal in rhombus. So one of the angle is 70 degree. So this is 70, this also 70 degree because opposite angles are equal. For example, A, B, C, D we have be considered. Okay. Find the remaining angles. Find the remaining angles. Sum of the quadrilateral. Sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Sum of quadrilaterals of the angle is 360 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Within a bracket, sum of angles in quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, so angle A didn't know. Okay, but angle A and angle C are equal. Okay, so angle A plus angle B is 70 degree. Angle C we have considered be angle A plus angle D is also 70 degree equal to 360 degree. Since angle A equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Okay, now add these angles to angle A plus 70 plus 70, 140 degree is equal to 360 degree. So 2 angle A is equal to 360 degree minus 140 degree. So subtract 220. So here already 2 angle A is there. It will be cancelling in 2 tables. So 110 degree. So angle A is equal to 110 degree. Therefore angle C is also 110 degree because opposite angles are equal. Okay. And 7th one. Nishant joined 4 cubes together. He colored the surface of the resulting figure. How many faces of the original cubes were colored? Okay, so Nishant joined 4 cubes together. 4 cube box என்ன செய்றாங்க join பண்றாங்க. And he colored the surface of the resulting figure. அப்படி join பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அதை வந்து என்ன செய்றாங்க அதோட surface area ஃபுல்லுமே கலர் பண்றாங்க. அப்படினா how many faces of the original cubes were colored? Okay, அப்படினா எவ்வளவு எத்தனை places எத்தனை side வந்து கவர் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க? For example, we have considered this one of the cuboid. Join this side another one of the cuboid. Here also we have joined. So which are the sides are hide? இதோட இந்த side எல்லாமே என்ன ஆயிடுமா hide ஆயிடும். அப்படிதானே? So remaining sides என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9 10 11 12. Okay, இதோடைய டாப் இருக்குமா? டாப்ல ஒரு edges இருக்கும் இல்லையா? என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் நம்ம? How many faces? Okay, so then well இந்த ஒரு பாக்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா ஓகேவா இப்போ இதை சுற்றி 4 ஃபேஸஸில் வச்சிட்டோம். வச்சதுக்கப்புறம் நமக்கு என்ன சைட்லாம் இருக்குமா ஒரு சைடு உள்ளே போயிடும் அப்படி தானே. அப்போ இந்த சைடில் உள்ள கியூபாய்டில் 1 2 3 just like we having 4 sides, so 12. Okay, 12 sides வந்து நம்ம கவர் பண்ணிடுவோம். அண்ட் தென் டாப் இருக்குமா faces தான் நம்ம calculate பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் 12 and then here one of the face, the top of that 4 faces, so 4. Okay, so total 12 plus 4 16. Okay, totally 16. இதையும் கவர் பண்ணிங்க இந்த ஃபேஸையும் அதாவது center of the cuboid also you have be consider is 17. Okay, so 16 faces are faces. Okay, ma? ஒன்று 16 அந்த சென்டர்லையும் பெயிண்ட் பண்ணாங்கன்னா அந்த இதையும் சேர்த்து என்ன வருமா 17 ஃபேஸஸ் வரும். ஓகே ரைட். அண்ட் 8th one homework. Find the 4th angle. Can you do that homework? 8th one, 8th and 9 do the homework. Okay, and also complete the worksheet 2. Okay, worksheet 2 is also very easiest one. You have already complete all the vertices, cylinder, faces, like that only asking. Okay, and net name of the given figure, like that only asking. Okay, so you will do the homework. I will write the homework on that side. Exercise 13.2 2, 3, 8. Worksheet 1, 1, 2, 3, 8 and 9. Worksheet 2, filling. Okay, in this chapter we have completed. Okay, in this chapter we have learned about the 2D 3D shapes and polygons and types of quadrilaterals also we have learned. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt in a online class or our separate number. Okay, thank you students.